Hey traders, welcome back to Trade Empire. Today in this video, we will explain the concept of liquidity from smart money trading perspective. We will explain that what is liquidity, where are liquidity zones, which moves are liquidity traps, and we will show you our best liquidity trading strategy. See you after a short intro. So the first question is, what is liquidity? Liquidity basically means how much money is available in the market. Every trade is a transaction between buyers and sellers, so when there's more money circulating, it becomes easier for large players to execute their trades smoothly. Suppose a large company want to exchange millions of dollars in euros. And if they exchange it when liquidity is low, the price will skyrocket, as they don't want to increase the price, because they simply want to buy at low rate, so they need liquidity in the market. In simple words, they need sellers in the market. So where are the liquidity zones? Liquidity is found when retail traders get involved in the market. We know that when price makes it to this demand zone, many traders will get involved with buying pressure. And not only retail traders, it could be small banks and private institutions. So if they place buy orders here, their stop losses will be below this demand zone. And we know that the liquidity is below this demand zone, because equal lows are the main liquidity areas. And now the condition is ready for the company to grab the liquidity. And then the price will make a sharp move to the upside. What are the benefits of identifying liquidity zones on the chart? First, the presence of a liquidity zone before an order block creates an ideal trading setup. Second, liquidity areas can be distinguished from major demand and supply zones. This will help you promote your entries more effectively and reduce losses in your trades. Here we can see that price broke through the structure level with inefficiency and left the perfect order block behind. And if price come back to this area to fill the gap, it would be a great opportunity to place buy orders. And after this impulsive move, the trend faded out. And look how many times it created liquidity zones. And after that, the price breaks the liquidity zones to the downside, took out the early buyers, grabbed the liquidity, and continue moving upward. Here's an important point. Grabbing liquidity before reaching an order block creates a great trading opportunity. But it's not a guaranteed rule, because price can easily break through the order block and lead to a major trend change. That's why you should always look for a reversal pattern in the lower time frame before placing any trade. Our next topic is types of liquidity. There are many types of liquidity, but to keep things simple, we mainly focus on equal lows and equal highs. Let me show you an example. Here in this example, if we look at left side, we can notice that we had a nice move to the upside with inefficiency. And we also have an order block there, and we would have been waiting for the price to tap into our order block and give us a great opportunity to go long. But then we have equal lows here. And we know that equal lows are the main liquidity areas. And as I told earlier, that it is not necessary for the price that it will always come back to our order blocks. Sometimes price only grab the liquidity and continue moving in its overall direction. So when you found liquidity areas on the chart, you should move into the lower time frame and look for any solid confirmation of trend change. And then you can execute your trade instead of missing it. Here's another example. This example is almost same as the one I showed before this, but here market is in a downtrend, and we have a valid order block and equal highs, and we can see that price grabs all the liquidity above equal highs, tap into our order block, and continue moving downward. Remember one thing, you will look for equal highs when price is moving downward, and look for equal lows when price is moving upward. Now that you have learned the concept of liquidity, let's move to our key liquidity trading strategy. But before we continue, if you are new to the channel, please hit the like button and subscribe the channel to show your support and interest in our videos. This trading strategy is not limited to any time frame. and it can be applied in stocks, crypto and forex markets. It only consists of two major steps. First, we identify the trend using exponential moving average. So we have applied EMA 50 on the chart. And until the price is trading above the EMA, we are in an uptrend, and we will only look for buying opportunities. And when price starts moving above EMA, we will first look for a 1 to 3 move to the upside to confirm our trend. Here we can see that after price break EMA to the upside, we have a 1 to 3 move and a valid break of structure, so now the uptrend is confirmed. And our second step is to look for a liquidity sweep pattern. It means that we wait for the price to make a support and grab the liquidity below that support. This liquidity sweep can be done by wick only, or candle body can be closed below and then move above. Now look here and see that how price make this support level. That is also a both support and resistance level, as it reacted as resistance before, so this is an important level here. And we can see that price sweep the liquidity below this level, and then continue moving upward. So you can enter in the market after this confirmation candle, as it closes above the liquidity sweep candle. Stop loss will be below the liquidity sweep candle, and for take profit, you can target the next key level, or just 1 to risk and reward ratio. But remember one thing, if liquidity sweep move comes below this lower low, then we will not enter the market, because if price break this lower low to the downside, it means we are no longer in an uptrend, and market is now in a downtrend, and then we will only look for short opportunities. So guys, that's all for today. If this video has provided you some knowledge, please leave a like and subscribe the channel for more trading content. Wish you good luck in your trading journey.